guys, today I'm going to be making a fire opal table. I've made opal tables in the past, but I have never made fire opal. What makes this different is that it's going to have a lot of orange and yellow in it. I don't normally use those colors in my work, so it's definitely going to be challenging. I have my 16-inch custom mold from Phillip. I'll add his information in the description. I'm going to be starting off with some iridescent paper, yellow here, and then I found these really fun sheets at Michael's. So we're going to have some pops of blue in there because fire opal is usually orange and red, yellow, and you get some pops of either green or blue. Depends on the piece of opal, of course. So I'm going to be starting off with a paint base layer. So I mix paint in with the resin, and you get a really solid first layer because we will be adding screws in later. You want to make sure that you can't see them after all that hard work. There's nothing like seeing your mistakes after you've spent a week making something. So what this allows is to cover the screws, and then it also gives like a base layer of color. So later on I'm going to be going in with some alcohol inks, and you'll still be able to see the paint, but we're going to be covering a lot of it with ink and pigment just to create some really cool textures and movement within the piece. With all three of them working together, I think it really brings a lot of dimension to the piece. So almost every table has paint, ink, and pigment all combined it into one. So I'm going to get suited up, and hopefully this comes out good. I don't know, it's the first time trying it, so yeah, let's get started on that.
Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you
bye.